Hey guys and girls, welcome to your lesson number 3 of Learn Dutch Conversation by ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn how do we say don't do this or don't do that in Dutch. Let's start our lesson. Don't. Niet doen. Niet means not and doen means do. Do not. Don't, niet doen. Don't, niet doen. Don't make noise. Maak geen lawaai. Maak is make, geen is not, and lawaai is noise. Maak geen lawaai. It's geen. Maak geen lawaai. Maak geen lawaai. Don't make noise. Don't irritate me. Niet irriteren me. Some people would say irriteren and some people would say irritera. Irritera. So N is silent in their voice, but both pronunciations are good. Niet irriteren me. Niet irriteren me. Niet irriteren me. Don't irritate me. Don't turn off the TV. Niet out. Out means off or out. Uitschakelen. Uitschakelen. Some people would say it uitschakelen, and other times some people would say uitschakelen. Uitschakelen. So N is silent or it's in a very soft tone. Niet uitschakelen van de TV. Niet uitschakelen van de TV or niet uitschakelen van de TV. Both are good. Niet uitschakelen van de TV. Don't turn off the TV. Don't make a mess. Maak niet puinhoop. Puinhoop. Mess. Maak niet puinhoop. Maak niet puinhoop. Don't make a mess. Don't fight or scream. Niet vechten of schreeuwen. Schreeuwen. Niet vechten. V is pronounced as fa, fe, f. Niet vechten. So it's niet vechten. Of schreeuwen. Some people would say vechter and schreeuwer. Both are good. Niet vechten of schreeuwen. Niet vechten of schreeuwer. Don't fight or scream. So guys and girls, now let's start our practice session. I will speak in English and I would expect you to translate and speak in Dutch. Don't. Very good. Niet doen. Don't make noise. Lawaai. Maak geen lawaai. Very good. Don't irritate me. Niet irriteren me. Very good. Don't turn off the TV. Uitschakelen. Scha. It's uitschakelen van de TV. Nice. Don't make a mess. Yes, maak niet puinhoop. Don't fight or scream. Niet vechten of schreeuwen. Very good. So guys and girls, now I will only speak in Dutch and it will conclude our lesson. Niet doen. Maak geen lawaai. Niet irriteren me. Niet uitschakelen van de TV. Maak niet puinhoop. Niet vechten of schreeuwen. So guys and girls, if you would like to do some more exercises and download this presentation, then please visit us on ifactner.com. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag, doei.